To drive positive change, a shot at building a future free from thirst and hunger. We welcome you to the 5th cycle of the UAE Research Program for Rain Enhancement Science. Starting from this moment, you can now apply your research proposals for our multi-million grant. Building on the success of the first 4 award cycles. The UAEREP's 5th cycle will witness a culmination of collaborative efforts as pioneers in the field come together to enhance cloud formation and advance rain enhancement, while leveraging novel and interdisciplinary science-based approaches and achieving a high level of technology readiness. As the hub for some of the most progressive innovations in sustainable technologies, it's our mission at UAEREP to drive an unprecedented legacy in water security through international collaboration, capacity building, applied research and innovation. Hand in hand, we move from the discovery to the delivery of alternative and innovative water scarcity solutions. Registration required before pre-proposal submission, 9th of March 2023. Submission deadline for pre-proposals, 16th of March 2023. Apply now.